Zombie Apocalypse.
Good day guys. So meron tayong memorandum dito na galing sa Deped. So the memorandum is about 4 regional and division offices, schools and learning centers. So subject data gathering on preferred mobile internet network provider. So babasahin ko, no? The Department of Education is preparing for the provision of monthly connectivity and communications expense for the major telecommunications companies for employees across the DepEd. So in order to qualify the provision for connectivity and communication expenses and determine the appropriate quantities, all regional, division, and school employees or teaching or non-teaching are tasked to register and update their information in the Deped Commons in accordance with OUA memo. So deadline nito is September uh, September 21, 2020 at 12 noon. So only those who have registered and activated their accounts will be qualified as beneficiary of connectivity and communication expense. So yung gagawin natin, so yung sabi is buksan yung email, no? Pero sa email walang sinend yung DepEd. So punta tayo dun sa Microsoft Office. Login kayo sa Microsoft Office nyo. Then find Outlook. Hanapin nyo yung Outlook. And then dito sa Outlook, dito nila i-send, guys. So hindi dun sa email. So hanap tayo. So ito yung Deped Commons. So go to your inbox. So dito is yun is Deped Commons mailer. So ito siya, guys, no? So sabi, so yung welcome to your Deped Commons account. To activate, click this. So click this link. Click nyo lang to and set up password. After activating your account, you may now update your user profile here. No? So here's the link again. So yan lang. So i-click lang natin ito yung click on this link. Okay, click natin. And then pupunta na kayo dito sa website ng Deped Commons. So sabi dito, your email address has been successfully confirmed. Please set your desired password. Okay. So ito yung desired password nyo. So 8 characters minimum. So siguraduhin nyo, guys, na matatandaan nyo yung password na ilalagay ninyo. Okay. So repeat natin. Confirm new password. And then change my password. So log in, didn't receive. So doon tayo sa change my password. Okay. And then, so ito na. So nandito yung pangalan nyo, middle name, pwede nyo lagay middle name. Then yung number. So non-teaching, I am teaching or non-teaching. Click nyo yung kung ano yung ano nyo, guys. No? Kung teaching or non-teaching kayo. So the designation is kung anong teacher kayo, master teacher yun. Teacher 1. Then this is school. So automatic siya na lalagay yung kung saan kayo naka-assign school. Pero kung nalipat na kayo or na-transfer na kayo sa isang ibang school, pwede nyo i-click dito, then baguhin nyo yung school kung saan kayo presently school ninyo. Okay. Then, number, and dito is login credentials. Kung halimbawang ayaw nyo yung password nyo na nalagay kanina, o babaguhin nyo, or mahirap tandaan, o nalimutan nyo, pwede nyo siyang baguhin dito. Pero sa akin, okay na yon. Then, click natin update. Yung sabi dito, save password. Yung password nyo. So, pwede nyo siyang i-show. No? Pag sinyow nyo, makikita nyo yung password nyo. So, pwede siyang i-show dito guys. No? Kasi, para ma-screenshot nyo or makita nyo. And then, save niyo o kung gusto nyo i-save password dito sa laptop nyo, kung personal laptop nyo naman, save nyo na lang para automatic is ma-open nyo agad yung Deped Commons Account. And then save, then yun na yan. So register na yung ating account. So updated na yung account. Para mag-log in, click nyo lang dito, log out kayo, click nyo lang. Okay. Sana makatulong tong video ito para ma-update and ma-register niyo yung account mo sa Deped Commons Account. Thank you very much.